Check your audio and screen. First, audio phones did not work. Please check the audio and the screen. Try to remember one point. Please don't log off immediately because if some technical issue happens, I will reconnect. Don't log out. Okay. Show patience. 20 students came beginning. Now count is 14. That means 60 students are log out. Please show the patience because it's an online session. So in online, sometimes technical problems may be raised. Please show the patience. Okay, don't simply log out. You will lose the class. Okay, don't lose any class. You have to get the job. So for that you have to attend all the classes. Okay. Now please put your valuable feedback regarding the screen and audio so that we will start. We will start the session. We will start the session. Please put your valuable feedback regarding screen and audio. Okay. Pradeep Reddy, Suresh Kumar. Okay, everything is good. Right. Let us start the session, sir. So yesterday we have seen how to use WinSCP software for transferring the files and folders from client to server. So here server is Cloudera. On Cloudera software, Hadoop is running. So a client can send files and folders to Hadoop by using WinSCP software. Yesterday we have seen. Now let us see. Let us see. Performing HDFS operations. Performing HDFS operations. So what is the use of HDFS? HDFS is used to store the data in Hadoop. HDFS stands for Hadoop Distributed File System. Okay, I am writing here. HDFS stands for Hadoop Distributed File System. Okay, and try to remember HDFS path in Cloudera software is /user/Cloudera. So this is the path of HDFS in Cloudera software. Okay, sir. First slash indicates this. First slash indicates root directory. Under that, user is the folder. Under user, Cloudera is the folder. So this is HDFS path. If you want to place files and folders in HDFS, then you have to put under Cloudera directory. Under Cloudera directory. Let us create one directory in the Cloudera directory. Let us create our own directory under Cloudera directory. So remember, this is HDFS path. If you are creating any directory under this path, means you are creating a directory in HDFS. That is the meaning. Okay. Now, let us create. Let us create a directory. Let us create a directory, that is, let us give a name called my directory. My directory. So my directory in HDFS. In HDFS. So in HDFS means, okay, in HDFS means this is the path of HDFS. So what we are going to create under root directory, under user directory, under Cloudera directory, we are going to create my directory. We are going to create my directory. So how will be the path? If we create my directory under HDFS, what will be the path? User Cloudera my directory, like this. So we are going to create like this. Now I am typing the command. So what is the command? This is Cloudera software. So in this, let us create one directory. Now HDFS, DFS, okay, MKDIR. What is the command for creating a directory? MKDIR. Under what we are creating? Under root directory, under user directory, under Cloudera directory, we are creating my directory. My directory. If already my directory is existed, file exist message comes. If it is already existed. Suppose if it is not existed, then it creates freshly. So HDFS operations will take little bit time, whereas LFS operations are performing faster. So what is the message? My directory is already exist. Let us remove because we want to create again. So for removing HDFS, DFS, okay, if my directory contains some files and folders, then we have to issue rm-r user Cloudera my directory. So already existed directory that is my directory, that will be deleted now. That will be deleted now. Once it is deleted, once it is deleted, then we will, okay, recreate the directory. So that existed my directory is deleted. Now we are going to create freshly. Observe. So what is the command? hdfs dfs hyphen mkdir slash user slash cloudera slash my directory. Now that directory will be created. So the directory is created. This is the command. So in the Hadoop nodes daily, because I send Hadoop nodes to support at the rate Sathyatech.com. So that is available. This running nodes is available in support at the rate Sathyatech.com. Okay. So all these commands are available in that nodes. Okay. So don't bother about the running nodes. Okay. So this is the command to create a directory in HDFS. So what happened? My directory is created under Cloudera directory. Cloudera directory is existed under user directory. User directory is existed under root directory, like that. Now let us test whether it is really created or not. Whether it is really created or not. The command is hdfs, okay, dfs hyphen ls slash user slash cloudera. Okay. When we see that cloudera directory, then we understand whether it is created or not. So HDFS commands take little bit more time when compared with LFS commands. Observe here, this is our directory, my directory. Now it is created in HDFS. So if the file or directory is available in HDFS means it is available through entire Hadoop cluster. That means anybody in that cluster, in Hadoop cluster, whoever is connected, those people can access our directory called my directory. They can easily access. because we placed the directory in HDFS. If you place in LFS, then that directory and files of LFS is local to you. You only can access. But if you place those files and folders in HDFS, then in that Hadoop cluster, whoever is connected, they can access your my directory. This my directory can be accessed by entire Hadoop cluster people. Now, same thing we can see in the browser also. That means we can see my directory in browser. So how to see in the browser? Now I am showing that. Minimize this window. Okay. Open this. Open this Explorer, that is browser. In the browser, okay, I'll start the browser again. You can click this icon. Are you seeing web browser? Click on that. It will start Mozilla Firefox browser by default, because Cloudera software by default uses Mozilla Firefox browser. Okay. Now it is opening Mozilla Firefox browser. Now it is open. So how to see? You have to click on Hadoop menu. We discussed 5 daemons. Whether you remember or not, in the previous sessions we discussed 5 daemons: name node, secondary name node, data node, resource manager, and node manager. These are the 5 daemons of Hadoop. Okay, daemons means important components. Okay, so you have to click on name node. See, name node, secondary name node, and data node are related to HDFS. Are related to HDFS. Resource manager and node manager are related to yarn. Yarn stands for yet another resource negotiator. Okay, we already discussed yarn architecture and its purpose and everything in the previous sessions. Refer once again. Okay, refer those previous session notes once again to recollect the concepts. So first we have to click on HDFS name node. Now it will open name node information. It will open name node information. Okay. Now under name node you see utilities menu. You see utilities menu. Click on the utilities menu. You see 2 options: browse the file system and logs. Click on the browse the file system. Click on the browse the file system. Okay. Now you are going to see user directory. Now you are going to see user directory. It will display now. It takes a little bit time to show. So you are going to see user directory. This is called root directory. Root directory is shown with slash. Next, under this, are you seeing this link? User directory. Click on the user directory. Next, you have to click on the Cloudera directory. You have to click on the Cloudera directory. Observe here, under Cloudera, we have created my directory. We have created my directory. Click on this. It is empty because just now we created, okay, just now we created my directory. Observe the path. This is the path. Slash user slash Cloudera slash my directory. So like this, you can create the directories into HDFS. Okay. This is how to see in the browser. Okay. Cloudera software by default, it uses Mozilla Firefox browser. If you want to use Google Chrome, you can use it. You can download Google Chrome and you can use the Google Chrome. Okay. So like this, you can see the directory in the browser. Let us minimize that. Now in this my directory, in this directory, let us create some files. Let us create some files. Okay. Let us create some files. Now, how to create a file? How to create a file? For creating any file, first of all, you have to create in LFS. First of all, you have to create a file in LFS. Okay. So, if you want to know where we are, then you have to give pwd, present working directory. So this is LFS path. Home Cloudera is LFS path. User Cloudera is HDFS path. Try to remember these two paths. So now we are in LFS. First, let us create a file in LFS. So cat command greater than symbol that indicates indirection operator or writing operator. We have already seen how to create a file in 4 ways. Can I remember? In the previous sessions, we have seen how to create a file in 4 ways. One way is cat command. Another way is vi command. Okay. Another way is gedit command. And final way is nano editor. Okay. These 4 ways are there to create a file. Now we are using this cat command to create the file. File name is employees file. File name is employees file. So it contains employee details. It contains employee details. Now I am typing employee details. 1001 is employee ID. Raju is employee name. Salary 70,000 is the salary. Now second record 1002. Employee name is Ravi and employee salary is 80,000. Next, employee ID is 1003. Employee name is Ramesh. Employee name is Ramesh. Salary is 90,000. Similarly, next employee record. Employee ID is 1004. Employee name is Suresh. Employee salary is 95,000. Employee salary is 95,000. After typing entire data, you can press Control D. Control D. Already these options we have seen in the previous section. Anyhow, I will send all these steps as a notes to you. Okay. So this notes is available at support@sathyatech.com. Okay. So this employees file is ready in LFS. So where it is created? Where it is created? It is created in LFS. Let us test it. Really, is it created in LFS or not? So how to see? ls hyphen l. If you look at the file, this is employees file. Okay, this is the employees file. This is employees file. This is employees file. So it is created in LFS. Now we have to send this employees file to the HDFS. We have to send this employees file to HDFS. Okay. Now how to send? We have three options. One is put command, another one is copy from local, and third one is move from local. We have three options. One is put command, another one is copy from local, and third command is move from local. So we have three commands. Regularly we use put command, but I will show you three ways how to use put command, how to use copy from local, and how to use move from local commands. First, let us see put command. Okay, let us see put command. Okay, now we are going to see put command. HDFS DFS hyphen put. What we are putting? Employees file where we are putting under user, under Cloudera, under my directory, under my directory. Now this employees file is going to be placed in my directory. So where is my directory? It is existed in Cloudera. Where is Cloudera directory? It is existed in user directory. Where is user directory? It is existed in root directory. So this is the path. Okay. Now employees file is going to be placed in the my directory folder. My directory folder. So now it is placed. So employees file is placed into this directory. Let us check, is it really placed or not. Okay. Now how to check? HDFS DFS hyphen ls, okay, slash user ls slash user Cloudera my directory, my directory. So it will display you employees file. It will display you employees file. It will display you employees file. So it is already displayed. Okay, it's already displayed employees file. Observe here, employees file is placed under my directory successfully. Okay, we can read the content also. What content we typed in employees file? How to see? HDFS DFS hyphen cat user Cloudera my directory, my directory. So under that, what is our file name? Employees file. Employees file. Like this, we can read the content of the file. Now it is going to display that content, the data, the actual data of the employees file will be displayed. So HDFS commands are little bit slow when compared with LFS commands. Why that little bit slow means it has to work on Hadoop cluster. Okay. Are you observing? This is the data we inserted into employees file. This is the data we inserted into the employees file. Let us check same thing in the browser also. In the browser also. So simply here press F5 button. Press F5 button. F5 indicates refresh. F5 button indicates refresh. Now observe, this is employees file. click on that. Okay, it is asking for downloading. Click on download. Okay, so you can download that file, that is employees file. Okay, so click on save file. Now it is saved in the, okay, it is saved in the downloads. Now click on that file. Click on that file. Okay, now it will open you the message. So this is the matter. Are you understanding? So this is the way of storing the files into HDFS. Yes. So try to practice these steps so that you'll be getting more practical knowledge. Okay. So remaining commands will be seen in the tomorrow's session. This notes is available at support@satyatech.com. Thank you and have a good day.